Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add a contact to your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. To add contact, go to this dialer and here click on contact and click on this plus symbol, and here in name type any name. Here I type that contact name Simpson, and here type a phone number. Here phone number is 98 888 111 92 92. Okay, this is the number, and in email you can assign any email. Okay, that is a that person email ID can be added here. Okay, click on email and add email Simpson stylish 2022 at gmail.com is his email ID, so I have added here .com. Okay, and if you want to add this contact to a group, click on groups, and here you can assign or create new group. Okay, I don't want this group. So finally, if you are okay with this, and click on save. Yes, select where it should be. Select where to save this contact. Okay, so here you go to select where in Samsung account or phone or Gerolina SIM card or Google. I select Google. So this contact is will be saved to my Gmail ID. Click on save. Yes, it is saved. So in this way you can easily add a contact to your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.